Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Get ready to meet Kitty, the newest sensation set to grace the Brawl Stars arena in early 2025. She's not just adorable, she's a force to be reckoned with, blending surprising damage with excellent area control. Mastering her unique kit will give you a huge edge, so let's dive into everything you need to know about this fantastic new brawler. This guide will help you unleash her full potential. Let's break down Kitty's core abilities, starting with her main attack, Paw Swipe. It's a versatile, medium-range burst that not only deals damage, but also slows down opponents, making them easier targets. Her super, Feline Fury, is a game-changer. It sets up a powerful zone, simultaneously harming enemies and providing vital healing for your teammates. Plus, her perfect protection gadget offers a quick shield, which can turn the tide in critical moments. Choosing the right star powers and gears can significantly enhance Kitty's performance. Whisker Sense is excellent for scouting, as it reveals any hidden enemies nearby, giving you crucial intel. Alternatively, Claw Rake transforms her main attack, allowing it to pierce through one opponent, which is fantastic for dealing with grouped enemies. When it comes to gears, focusing on damage will boost her offensive output, while Ace Shield Gear provides that extra layer of survivability you'll often need. Effective gameplay with Kitty involves smart positioning and timely ability usage. Always try to maintain a comfortable distance, using her Paw Swipe slow to keep opponents at bay or to set up easy targets for your teammates. Her Feline Fury super is best deployed in high-traffic zones or objective areas, allowing you to dominate the space while simultaneously healing your team. When facing high-damage brawlers, remember to activate her gadget promptly for that crucial burst of protection. To truly master Kitty, consistent practice and thoughtful experimentation are key. Focus on perfecting your Paw Swipe aim and understanding its slowing utility. Precision will significantly boost your impact. Effective teamwork is also vital, so try to coordinate your Feline Fury super with your teammates' pushes or defenses for maximum effect. Don't be afraid to try her in various game modes. This will help you identify her strongest roles and matchups, making you a formidable Kitty player.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.